drones are reshaping nations and power. Beyond weddings and movies, drones are vital in agriculture and security. They monitor crops and enhance national defense. Covering vast distances, they see what we can't. Their biggest impact? Defense. Patrolling borders and gathering intelligence. Advanced drone tech is crucial for security. Bangladesh is ready to take flight with powerful allies. Bangladesh, once a buyer of drones, is now determined to become a builder. For years, importing high-tech equipment drained resources and left the country dependent on others. Leaders asked, why not create our own? The answer, self-reliance and control over national security. Military modernization. Force Goal 2030 became the driving vision. The plan developed a domestic defense industry, create jobs, and boost the economy. Building drones at home means more than saving money. It's about national pride and independence. The goal isn't just simple drones, but advanced UAVs for surveillance and security. It's a huge challenge, demanding expertise and infrastructure. But Bangladesh is committed to mastering this technology. The shift from buying to building marks a turning point. It's about securing the future and taking control of destiny. The next step, finding the right partner to make this dream a reality. That's where Turkey enters the story. A new era is about to begin. Bangladesh needed a mentor, and Turkey was the perfect fit. Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 drones have revolutionized modern warfare and set a global standard. Like Bangladesh, Turkey once depended on imports until it invested in its own tech. Now, Turkey is sharing its expertise through a deep partnership. This isn't just about selling drones, it's about transferring knowledge and skills. Turkish experts will train Bangladeshi engineers, sharing blueprints and manufacturing secrets. Together, they'll build a state-of-the-art drone facility in Bangladesh. The first project producing Bayraktar TB2 drones locally. This leapfrogs years of research, giving Bangladesh both technology and know-how. The partnership lays the foundation for future innovation and independence. It's more than a business deal. It's a path to technological sovereignty. Bangladesh will gain the skills to maintain, upgrade, and eventually design its own drones. This is how a sustainable industry is born. The journey to self-reliance has truly begun. This partnership is a win-win for both nations. Bangladesh gains advanced security, monitoring coastlines, borders, and critical infrastructure. Homegrown drones mean greater confidence and control in a complex region. The economic impact is huge. New jobs for engineers, technicians, and software developers. Local production saves foreign currency and could lead to future exports. For Turkey, sharing technology expands its influence and forges a strong alliance in South Asia. It strengthens Turkey's defense industry and global reputation. The collaboration creates a network of nations using similar tech, deepening cooperation. Turkey's model of tech sharing becomes a global standard. Both countries grow stronger, economically, militarily, and diplomatically. This is more than a transaction. It's a strategic partnership. Together, they're setting a new standard for international collaboration. The benefits will echo for years to come. For Bangladesh, this is more than a military upgrade. It's a leap into the future. The project inspires a new generation to pursue science, technology, and innovation. It sparks a culture of creativity, reaching far beyond defense. True independence now means technological freedom. By mastering drone production, Bangladesh gains control over its security and destiny. The world sees a nation rising, confident, self-reliant, and ready to lead. With each drone built, Bangladesh moves closer to becoming a regional tech hub. The skills and infrastructure developed will fuel future breakthroughs. This partnership proves that vision, determination, and the right allies can transform a nation. As the first made-in-Bangladesh drones take flight, they carry the hopes of millions. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. Bangladesh's new era has arrived.